प्रेषितांचे आचंद्र सूर्य नांदो स्वातंत्र्य भारताचे हे राष्ट्र देवतांचे हे राष्ट्र प्रेषितांचे आचंद्र सूर्य नांदो स्वातंत्र्य भारताचे कर्तव्य दक्ष भूमी सीता रघुत्तमाची रामायणे घडावी येथे पराक्रमाची शिर उंच उंच व्हावे हिमवंत पर्वताचे आचंद्र सूर्य नांदो स्वातंत्र्य भारताचे हे राष्ट्र देवतांचे हे राष्ट्र प्रेषितांचे आचंद्र सूर्य नांदो स्वातंत्र्य भारताचे येथे नसो निराशा थोड्या पराभवाने पार्थास बोध केला येथेच माधवाने हा देश स्तन्य प्याला गीताख्य अमृताचे आचंद्र सूर्य नांदो स्वातंत्र्य भारताचे हे राष्ट्र देवतांचे हे राष्ट्र प्रेषितांचे आचंद्र सूर्य नांदो स्वातंत्र्य भारताचे जेथे परंपरांचा सन्मान नित्य आहे जनशासनातळीचा पायाच सत्य आहे येथे सदा निनादो जय गीत जागृताचे आचंद्र सूर्य नांदो स्वातंत्र्य भारताचे हे राष्ट्र देवतांचे हे राष्ट्र प्रेषितांचे आचंद्र सूर्य नांदो स्वातंत्र्य भारताचे स्वातंत्र्य भारताचे स्वातंत्र्य भारताचे
All teachers, parents and my dear friends, at first I would like to wish all of you a very happy 75th Independence Day. Recently our 10th standard result has been declared and all are very happy regarding their result. I would like to congratulate all students, my friends, parents as well as teachers for their strong support and efforts that due to which Hindar Public School has reached up to 100% result. This is possible only due to efforts taken by our students and teachers. I am very glad to say here that I am very lucky that I became part of Hindar Public School. We all are facing this COVID-19 pandemic. Since very first year of pandemic, teachers have took a lot of efforts to make our learning more easier and in effective manner. On behalf of Hindar Public School, I would like to thank all teachers as well as principals for their strong support and guidance. Without you, this would not be possible. Actually, it was my wish to come here and raise this flag which came through. Along with my efforts, teachers' efforts, it made it possible to come here. At last, I committed my thanking all teachers as well as principals for giving me this big opportunity. I'll never forget this. This is a memorable moment I'm going to take along with me forever my life. It makes me proud to become a Hindar here. I'm very lucky. Thank you.
Every task, Honorable Nana Sahib Kulkarni sir. My daughter, for whom we are all of us, we are very proud. Dear Sakshi, who stood first in standard 10, and not only for that, but overall her performance her being in school is always an ideal for all other students. So I congratulate her for getting this opportunity. All my dear teachers, because of whom we are over here to celebrate this occasion, all responsible the persons, those who are present over here, the children whom I need to address over here very sincerely are my all Hindavians, because of whom Hindavia is known in Satara today for some all the different reasons they are doing. First of all, I wish all of you my heartily best wishes on this 75th Independence Day. And with this 75th Independence Day, we are entering the 75th year of independence. And along with these all best things in our life, we are also entering huge responsibilities, I would like to say. Dear friends, independence is not a thing which has been gifted to us. It is because of the sacrifice of lots of patriots and freedom fighters, those who have led their life. They didn't thought of their families and their personal happiness. They didn't think of themselves also. They led their lives, and because of them, we are over here and we are enjoying this freedom. Dear friends, if we are breathing, it is not because of air. We are happily breathing because we are independent. And the value of independence we need to understand, and not it cannot be explained. First of all, I would like to pay my gratitude toward the patriots and all freedom fighters, those who have led their life. Today, we are over here, we are facing different challenges. Today, India is marching towards being a supreme power in the world itself. We, from our ancient times, we have been educators, and very well said by Atal Bihari Vajpayee, late Prime Minister of India. He says that Bharat Zameen ka tukda nahi hai, yah jeeta jagta Rashtra Purush hai. So he says that it is not a mere of land and piece of land over here. It has soul in itself, and because of it, we are over here, that we are very fortunate. We are born in India, and he says that yaha ka kankar kankar shankar hai, aur bindu bindu Ganga jal hai. So wherever we live in India, each and every particle over here, it is a divine soul, and whichever the drop of water, it is the equivalent to Ganga, he says. So these are the very great feelings, he said, and along with his the poem I would end over here, he says that hum jiyenge to iske liye aur marenge to Bharat ke liye. So with this pledge, I conclude my feelings. I again wish all of you my heartily best wishes on 74th year which we are entering as a Independence Day. It is Amrut Mahotsavi year, we can say, because in English there are limitations. So Amrut Mahotsavi we are celebrating for independence of India. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
नमस्कार, मी अमित कुलकर्णी, संस्थापक अध्यक्ष श्रीनिधी एज्युकेशन सोसायटी हिंदवी पब्लिक स्कूल सातारा. स्कूलच्या वतीनं व आमच्या सर्व परिवाराच्या वतीनं सर्व भारतीयांना स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आज 75वा स्वातंत्र्य दिन, त्याचबरोबर भारत स्वातंत्र्याची अमृत महोत्सवी वर्षात पदार्पण करतोय. आपल्या सर्वांसाठी अत्यंत अभिमानाची बाब आहे की 75 वर्ष पूर्ण होत असतानाच खऱ्या अर्थानं भारत परत एकदा विश्वगुरु पदाला जात आहे आणि स्वयंपूर्ण व आत्मनिर्भर भारत ही संपूर्ण जगाला आता भारताची ओळख होत आहे. ह्याच टप्प्यात सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना पुढे घेऊन जात असताना आता असलेली आव्हानं डोळ्यासमोर ठेवून जसा भारत आत्मनिर्भर होतोय, तसं भविष्यात आपला हिंदवियन, आपला प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी हा आत्मनिर्भर होऊन कशा पद्धतीने वाटचाल करेल, हेच शाळेचं सातत्याने उद्दिष्ट राहील. असंख्य स्वातंत्र्य सैनिक व देशभक्तांच्या मोठमोठ्या त्यागातून, जीवाचा त्याग करून त्यांनी हे जे स्वातंत्र्य आपल्याला प्राप्त झाले, हे सगळ्यांनी आपण अत्यंत जबाबदारीने बाळगणं ही आपल्या सगळ्यांची जबाबदारी आहे. ह्या सर्व जाणीवा ठेवून मी आपल्या सर्वांना परत एकदा स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या मनपूर्वक शुभेच्छा देतो. दिनाच्या निमित्तानं हिंदवी पब्लिक स्कूलनं अद्ययावत एक ऑफिसचं विद्यार्थार्पण केलेलं आहे. मी या निमित्तानं अपेक्षा व्यक्त करतो की हिंदवी पब्लिक स्कूल नव्यानं या सर्व सेवांसाठी, शैक्षणिक सुविधांसाठी सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांसाठी उपलब्ध असेल. धन्यवाद.